Keyword research is a very important part of your SEO campaign. In other words, the keyword research is the main driver of your SEO efforts or SEO campaign. And if it is done wrong, all of your SEO efforts may go in vain. So that's why in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you what are the keywords, what is keyword research, and why keyword research is important. And most importantly, I will tell you about different kinds of the keywords which you can target in order to rank on those keywords and create content for those specific keywords. So before we get started, make sure you subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon so that you get notified instantly for every new tutorial. Also, if you want to support this tutorial, be sure to like this video so that others can find this tutorial on the platform. Hi guys, I'm Shafiullah, the founder of ClickDeal, which is a well-known SEO agency. Okay, so let's get started with the point number one. What are the keywords? Basically, the keywords or key phrases are those words that people search within the search engine to find out the products, services, or the answers they are looking for. So the next question is, what is the keyword research? Basically, the keyword research is the process of finding those keywords or key phrases that people search within the search engines in order to inform your SEO strategy and content strategy. Okay, so the next question is why keyword research is important for your SEO, for your blog, for your website. Well, a proper keyword research will tell you what your potential audience are searching within the search engines, how your audience search within the search engines, how many times your audience search within the search engines, and keyword research will also tell you about the needs of your potential audience. And most importantly, proper keyword research will help you to identify the problems, the needs of your audience, and ultimately it will help you to adjust the targets of your business to better match them with the needs of your potential audience. Okay, so now the most important thing for you might be how many keywords or how many kinds of the keywords are there. And even important for you might be what kind of the keywords should you target for creating the content, right? So basically, there are three kinds of the keywords that you should have a sound knowledge of. The first one is the head keywords. So the head keywords are basically, the keywords are such phrases that consist of only one word. For example, t-shirt, right? These kind of keywords has high search volume as well as higher competition rate. So these kind of the keywords are harder to rank on. The next kind of the keyword is called the body keywords. These are keywords that consist of two to three words. For example, black t-shirt, right? And this kind of keywords also has higher search volume as well as higher competition rate. And the third kind of the keywords is called the long tail keywords. So the long tail keywords are basically the keywords that consist of three to four words. This kind of keywords are very clear in terms of the search intent, and this kind of keywords has lower search volume as well as lower competition rate, right? So for example, how to buy black t-shirt online is called the long tail keyword, right? These kind of keywords are also called the hidden keywords. Most of the businesses do not pay attention to the long tail keywords just because they think these kind of the keywords has lower search volume. But you should focus on the long tail keywords, right? Because I know these kind of the keywords has lower search volume, but the most important thing for you is that the intent is very clear behind these kind of the keywords. For example, if I search how to buy black t-shirt online, My intent is very clear, and my intent is that I'm in the research process. I want to know how to, you know, purchase a black t-shirt online because I am making the purchase online for the first time, right? Second, these kind of keywords are very easy to get rank on, especially if you're just getting started or if you have a new website, a new domain, then the long tail keyword is gonna be very helpful for you, right? Now, the next important question for you is that what kind of the keywords should be, you should use in the content? Well, based on my experience, you should be using a mix of all these three kinds of the keywords research, right? So I hope this has been a super helpful tutorial. And now you have a sound knowledge of the different kinds of the keywords, and you also now have sound idea of what kind of the keyword should you target when creating the content for the SEO purpose. So once again, if you have not yet subscribed the channel, be sure to subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon so that you get notified for our next tutorial, which will be based on the topic clusters. And that's the most important thing when it comes to SEO. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.